Hi, my name is Klaire Tanner. I'm a creative director and founder of CreuTech, and I'm based in Wales. So I've been working in immersive technologies for 15 years. I've worked through many companies, and now about a year ago I went freelance, and I found that with that 28% of my work was doing workshops, whether that's workshops with young people, teaching them how to create with VR or augmented reality, through to helping businesses find ways that they can utilize AI. And so I created a business called CreuTech. From day to day, I'll be having meetings, collaborating with people. I'll be doing a lot of hands-on, so working within Unity and Unreal Games engines. Delivering workshops is another thing that I do. I take young people through the entire pipeline of designing something within XR. To be honest with you, everything I do is so varied. Because I'm a one-man band, there is so many hats I'm wearing. But within this, there's so many other little parts, there's so many other jobs involved in it. Say you've built a VR product. To build that VR product, you need ideas people. You've got people who are developers, so they'll be doing programming and things like that. Then you've got the artists who create the digital assets. You've got voice actors. You've got people making sound effects. You've got people doing finance for digital as well. These products need somebody to market it, and these products need somebody to sell it. Within that pipeline, there's still lots of other roles. If those are things, if digital is exciting and you're more into sales and marketing, well, there's plenty of room for you there too. 3 things that I think are good to sort of have in your head is I need to have a collaborative mindset. So, don't think of yourself as being on your own in this. Find other people as well within your network or within your cluster. And I think being open to things and being open to change as well is something that's very useful. Like with the way industry moves so quickly in digital, things change. I mean, from year to year, things drastically change, especially with the rate at which AI and new technologies are evolving. So being open to change and with that, then I think that leads on to the next one, which is always be open to learning. Just learn everything, be a sponge, learn as much as you can, and learn from others. The learning never stops. I didn't do too well in school, but where I did do well was college. So I actually came from more of a traditional background rather than a digital. So I kind of did a lot of the gallery circuits, stuff like that. I had a few exhibitions, and then I was really lucky to have met some people who were working in 3D and digital, and they were like, "Hey, why don't you give this a go?" So there's a lot of stuff I love about my job. Being creative, number one, having the creative freedom. Even though I work with clients and they have their specific requirements, it's great to work with clients that actually allow me the creative freedom. So I think if you're considering working in digital, talk to people and talk to them face to face, not through email, and network and grow that collaboration. So working in digital, I would say portfolio is your number one. Create a nice portfolio. Spend the time to make sure that you've got your best things in there. And getting that portfolio in front of the right people is really important. Have a LinkedIn. LinkedIn is so important. It is one of the most important social media platforms you will have if you're going into digital. Connect with as many people, and once you've connected with them, follow up with them, see what they're doing, and making sure that you're posting things and keeping your work and everything that you do in the light of everybody on LinkedIn is very important.